Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fabulous today. This video is sponsored by Alipearl hair. So they sent me over one of their new invention wigs, guys. It's the first time I'll be wearing a wig like this one, so I'm so excited. But this is everything that came in the package, the little goodies. And this is an adjustable strap that I'll attach to the wig to secure it. But let's get into this wig, guys. It is their glueless wear and go wig with the lace pre-cut. I didn't cut this lace, it came pre-cut, it came pre-parted, it came pre-plucked, it's laying flat, like everything is already done to the wig, guys. It came pre-curled literally from the package. This is what the wig is looking like. So it's their glueless wear and go wig with the invisible HD lace. It's a 5x5 closure lace unit, guys, and this is what the construction of the wig is looking like. That's where I'll add the adjustable strap to secure my wig. So let's get into the installation process. So this is my first time trying a wig like this one. I must say it is such a convenient idea. I can just put this on, no effort needed, and literally go about my day. So I put a wig cap on and I'm going to put the wig on my head and I'm going to see what it looks like, guys. And look at that. Like, look at the lace already. Look at that. I was pleasantly surprised. You can see it in my face. Like, you can see it for yourself. It looks so good. I haven't done anything to this. It hasn't been cut. It hasn't been melted into my skin. Absolutely glueless. And it is looking really melted, as if I applied some form of lace spray on it, but I didn't. Let me show you. Let me just run my comb through it so you see I did not add any product to this unit at all. I am going to be adding some of my foaming lotion to the top of the unit and where the lace is, just to get that laying down a bit more, and then I'm going to tie it down. This will give the lace a little bit of melt without adding any lace spray or glue to it. So that's what I'm going to do with this one, guys. But I must say, this is a beginner friendly unit. If you have no experience with wigs, if you're intimidated and you're afraid to cut the lace on your wig, I would recommend this one because it's no work at all. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, it comes pre-bleached, it comes with a pre-cut lace that melts into the skin, and it's 100% glueless, so it will of course protect your lace. So I am just going through and combing the curls out on the unit. I could go a step further and add some curls to it, but why when it already looks this good? So I'm going to add some hair oil to the unit to give it some moisture. I just sprayed that in the palm of my hands and I am distributing it evenly throughout the unit. You noticed where I tied down the edges so that can melt down into my skin, and this is what the hair is looking like, guys. And again, excuse me if I seem shocked, but I am pleasantly surprised. I'm using a little bit of concealer to brighten the parting space, and this is what the hairline is looking like. Notice how it is just laid and slick. I do look like I'm coming fresh out the salon, but this install took me less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes, and I am not exaggerating. I just put it on my head and I was ready to go. I think the hair is so voluminous, the curls are so bouncy, And for some reason, I'm just showing you again that there is no glue. It's absolutely glueless, guys. All right, so I have completed the install, so let's get into the final look of the unit. Even though this is kind of the final look, when I think about it, this is really the final look of the unit. Like, there's nothing more. So guys, this is the unit. It looks like I spent hours in the salon to get my hair done, but I literally spent minutes, less than 5 minutes, to accomplish this look. No heat, no glue. Thank you again to Alipearl here for sponsoring today's video. The link to the unit is in the description, so go ahead and check that out. I honestly think every girl needs this in their collection, so go ahead and get it, guys. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.